Hello guys, we're truly excited today. We have Mr. Aji Varghese, our ex-student who has become extremely successful, who have received his first job letter yesterday.
Hi, thank you very much for watching me. I have to tell you a very interesting story about myself today because tomorrow is my first day with one of the leading IT firms.
Hi.
Very nice meeting you, Aji. Please have
Thank
a
you.
seat. Thank you.
I'm so excited today. Now it's my
Unbelievable. You have made it.
Yes,
You have made it.
Thank you very much. Without you, it was not
Well,
possible.
first of all, I want to know that how long did it take for you?
It's almost 6 months. I was in marketing, in automotive auto parts. Luckily, Eldo, a Transfotech student, he referred me. Then I started exploring this one.
This is a very unique model, what we have architected out of many other boot camps out there, right?
Actually, Eldo was giving me the chef's number. I was calling a chef, and the chef or the phone we were discussing what all the courses you are offering. Then what kind of course which can be suitable for me. Then I selected the QH. A real salute to you and your company because very transparent. Things are very what we told and what we signed. Everything is transparent. Everything is in paper, black and white. So there is no question of ambiguity.
Right.
So I'm so happy because I know that what kind of courses you are going to give me, how much I'm paying, how much I have to pay.
That's what we want to be.
That was the story of Mr. Aji. Please follow us on Facebook/Transfotech Academy and sign up with Transfotech Academy with our 6-month long Q engineering bootcamp. Change your life.